Hi. So this video will hopefully help show you a little bit of what Google Classroom is from your student's view. You will not be able to achieve this view with a parent email address, but this is what your student is using during the day. So this is our Google Classroom page for Global Studies. The Classwork tab is where we will find most everything. It is the most useful. Right up top here, there is a topic that will remain at the top of this classwork page for the semester. It has different links. The most important would be to weekly slides right here, and then just some of my rules, and I will add the class expectations that we have brainstormed to this as well. A semester 1 calendar with general dates of days when there is no school, when there's teacher in service, when there's vacation, when the semester ends, when the quarter ends, and then a syllabus down here. And then for the weekly slides, it will bring you to this slideshow. And this is what we project in class every day. It also has kind of our week planned out so that if a student or a group of students say is going to have to leave early on Thursday for a soccer game, or someone is out on Monday because you took a trip over the weekend, or you had family up and you just needed a day, or for whatever reason, someone's sick, anything like that. This is a really easy place for students and you, this is linked in your email, to go if your student is needing some support in figuring out what they've missed or what they might miss. The current week will always be at the top, and then past weeks will be listed right below it. And so this will show kind of what we've done in class, and then students can find things on Google Classroom. For example, the UN Global Goals is a document that will be posted on Google Classroom under the topic that we're currently in. All of the topics will remain on Google Classroom, always under this helpful links as the top topic, if that makes sense. So again, this one is kind of the most important for you to be aware of that is on Google Classroom. It's also linked in this email again, but it will show what we're working on in class that week and past weeks if we're struggling to find what was missed or kind of wanting to plan ahead a little bit in the future.